Hi everyone, and welcome to the Wizard Engineer. In today's video, we're going to learn Vue 3 by building a real-world application. Before we get started, we're going to take a look at the application that we're going to build throughout this tutorial. We are not going to build to-do list app. We are going to build a real-world application so that you are going to finish this tutorial and you got your hands-on experience. You got a knowledge required to build your next projects. Now, let's take a look on the application that we're going to build throughout this tutorial. Alright guys, this is the application that you're going to build for this tutorial. Here you can see we're on the home page of our blog application, and you can see the tagline. The best way to learn the code is to build truly functional products. And we got also a bunch of articles. If I click on this article, we can see the details of this article, and you can see we have implemented a skeleton loader. If I click on back, we got on the home page, and then I can click on another article and so on. And also we got the login page where a user can provide his credentials. And you can see that here, our blog application, it is interactive. It stores data on the backend. We are going to build this tutorial with two backends. For those who are comfortable with Laravel, they're going to clone the Laravel backend, and then they are going to run it locally because I've already write everything. All endpoints are there. You can see this is the documentation of this Laravel application, but also we got a Node.js application for Node.js developers because we are going to focus on vue.js. We are not going to focus on building server-side. For those who are comfortable with Node.js, can go on this repository. I'm going to put a link down in the description here. You can see we got a Node.js application and the documentation for each endpoint here. You can see the user model, create user. This is the endpoint of this blog application. At the end, we're going to clone these projects. Now let's continue. Here you can see we got the create post page. We are going to use this page to create a post here. I can create a post. What is SQL? And then here I'm going to grab some contents within my sublim text like this. And then I can cut them within the CK editor. This is a CK editor. Let me change this paragraph to an H1. And then I'm going to create this post. I'm going to send it to the server. And also if you go on the articles page here, right here, you can see if I type what is SQL, I'm going to get this article. You can see you just get this article, and also I can upload an image. For this article, let me add this image of a chimpanzee. And then when I click on upload, we just upload an image for this article, you can see. But also we can edit this article. Here you can see the button has changed the color. And if we click on the logout menu, we are going to get out of the administration page in the system. You can see right now we're on the home page, and then I can go on the administration page and I can delete a post. Let's try to delete a post. Let's get on the articles page, and if I click on delete, yeah, you can see the article disappear. That's what we're gonna build throughout this tutorial. I think you're going to finish this tutorial and you got the knowledge required in order to start your next application. Here you can see the code. Let me zoom a little bit. Here you can see our application, it is powered in TypeScript. You're going to learn Vue and TypeScript at the end so that you can build a robust application. I'm going to teach you also TypeScript. You're going to finish this tutorial and you got everything you need to start your next projects. And I see you in the next video where we are going to setting up our environment so that we can start learning. We can start our journey of learning Vue.js. I see you there.